Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your account in the Photoroom app. If you no longer want to use Photoroom and want to remove all your data, this guide will help you. First, open the Photoroom app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, select Manage Account from the menu options. After that, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option and click on it. Next, you will be asked to type Delete to confirm your intention. Then, click on the Delete button to proceed. Photoroom will then send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Finally, open the email on your phone and click on the confirmation link to permanently delete your account. Once the deletion is confirmed, your account and all associated data will be removed from Photoroom. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.